In the world of haute horlogerie, few names carry the creative weight of Gérald Genta. The designer behind icons like the Royal Oak and Nautilus has a legacy built on bold design and daring detail. And now, his spirit returns, with the Gérald Genta Gentissima Oursin 36 Black Onyx. Oursin means sea urchin, and you can see that inspiration instantly. Each one of the 223 polished 18-karat gold spikes on this case is individually applied by hand. The result? A watch that looks equal parts jewelry, sculpture, and attitude. The 36.5mm sand-blasted gold case sits on a sleek, bun-style black alligator strap, giving this watch a punk luxury aesthetic that's surprisingly genderless. It's elegant, but it bites back like a sea urchin dressed for a gala. Under the faceted octagonal sapphire crystal, the deep black onyx dial keeps things minimalist, just hours and minutes with classic Gérald Genta hands. Look closer, and you'll notice something subtle. That sapphire crystal is octagonal, a quiet nod to Genta's most famous design DNA. Inside beats the in-house Gérald Genta caliber GG005, crafted at La Fabrique du Temps in Geneva. Automatic winding, 4 Hz frequency, 50-hour power reserve, and an 18-karat gold rotor that mirrors those same spiked studs. A tiny work of art beneath a sea of gold. At 29,000 Swiss francs, the Gentissima Oursin 36 Black Onyx isn't just a watch, it's a statement. A revival of Genta's 1990s vision, reborn by LVMH with modern craftsmanship and fearless design. Whether you wear it for elegance or edge, this is haute horology with attitude.